should conclude. Oh, we're gonna hit the buffers. Whoa! Flipping heck. That was sudden. Hi everyone, this is Reece's Trains, and this week we are going to do a training module on the class 314 by ScotRail. Now these trains look pretty old, but I'm willing to give them a try if they're willing to cooperate.
Take a seat in the driver's position. This is where you'll be spending most of your time.
Wow. Right, driver's seat.
To activate the control desk, insert the master key.
On. Neutral. Let's hold it. Cool. Let's go wait for the main reservoir to charge now. Let's raise the pantograph. The pantograph is up. Headlights and marker lights. There we go.
The reverser determines the direction of travel. This train is now ready to depart. Use the throttle to apply power and get moving. Coasting is a method used to efficiently maintain speed and reduce motor stress and maintenance requirements. Keeping to speed limits is important. If you begin overspeeding, apply a small amount of brake by moving the train brake. We're now going to perform a test of the emergency braking system. Put the train brake into emergency.
Right. See. Pretty quick stop.
The emergency brake has been applied and the train will need to be recovered before continuing.
Recovered.
Great work. Now let's get moving.
There we go.
Nice job. We can now continue the journey to Glasgow Central.
Glasgow Central. Yeah, I'm going a bit over the speed limit here, so. There we go. Oh yeah, 'cause it's crossing a junction, that's why. See how quickly we can accelerate now. Look around the cab as well. Got the lights, cab lights, and all your other little switches as well. You can see in a train. There we go.
You're now approaching Glasgow Central. Use the train brake to apply braking force and slow the train down.
gentle. And that should conclude. Oh, we're gonna hit the buffers. Whoa! Flipping heck. That was sudden.
Take a quick glance of the platform to ensure all is safe before unlocking the doors.
Yep, all is safe.
To travel out of Glasgow Central, we'll have to change ends.
Yep.
Let's do this now while the passengers are boarding.
Tail lights.
With this cab shut down, head to the other end of the train and bring it into operation.
It's only 3 carriages, not too bad.
Now we've changed ends and completed our passenger boarding, set the doors to locked.
Where's the door close button though? This is what I need to figure out. Oh, it's up there.
Proceed to the next stop at Pollokshields West, unguided this time, and see how you get on.
Let's go. Still loving the graphics of this game, even though I've not played it now for a couple of months. Gotta say, this is pretty slow. Right, there we go. Let's open the doors.
Good work. That concludes all the basics of operating this train.
Good stuff. Oh, just missed that. There you go. A introduction to the Class 314. I've never been on one. I don't know if it's still around at the moment with ScotRail, but there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little gameplay of an introduction to 314. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.